come on.
The parade commander now takes leave of the chief guest to command the match pass to begin shortly. The parade commander for today's 18th Independence celebration is Sri Madeshwar Hajol MPS.
तीनों तीन में निकट कलम में मन से गुजरेगा नंबर 1 प्लेटून आगे ब्रेक चल निकट लाइन चल ब्रेक तीनों तीन में जाने चलेगा लाइन
Leading the parade today is the Parade Commander, Shri Mon Shivan Hajok MPS, and the second in command, Lady Sub-Inspector Vankila Yokno, West Cascades District. The parade contingents are marching to the tunes and melodies and rhythms played by the brass band from St. Peter's Picnic Lane. The band was formed in 1992 by its present master, Sir Idris Longfield, and is still going strong, melodious, as the days go. Here on today's 80th Independence Day celebration, we have 25 parade contingents to celebrate the freedom that we have enjoyed for the past 8 decades. This is a moment of pride. This is a moment of honor for every Indian. Approaching the saluting guys now, with our chief guest taking the salute. This is the parade commander, and the second in command. With the platoon number 1 from West Cascades, DEF, led by platoon commander, AB Sub-Inspector, Airline Professor, same name, West Cascades, DEF, total strength of 30. Giving the salute now is platoon number 2 from the 4th MSA Battalion, Swapia, led by Councillor Morgan, with a total strength of 30. Giving the salute now is parade contingent number 1 from Knoxville College, NCC, led by Mr. Henry Carlack, and the flag bearer is Miss Cheryl Biswell. Approaching the saluting guys with a total strength of 30. This great contingent number 2 from JNV Knoxville, NCC, led by Lieutenant Stem Tomley, and the flag bearer is Miss Eva Fanso. With a total strength of 24, this is great contingent number 5, led by Miss Shimpi Abani, St. Peter's Higher Secondary School, Inland NCC. Following them is the great contingent number 6, from St. Peter's Higher Secondary School, Scotland Village, led by Mr. Clinton Mauson, the flag bearer, Miss Barani Inti Kastimli, with a total strength of 13 members. With Mr. Rakesh Rinpoche as their commander, Mr. Pritap JNB Boys Marine Contingent number 7. With the salute here is for JNB Girls